Datasets, a word that always attracted the attention of academicians as well as researchers. And why not? Because it's quite difficult to create your own dataset or to find the right sort of dataset out of pool of so vast sea of datasets. So in this particular video, we are going to specifically talk about another dataset, which is going to be a kind of image dataset named Flickr-Faces-HQ dataset. So let's just start. Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to look onto FFHQ. In particular, it is standing for Flickr Faces High Quality Dataset, and it is nothing but a high quality image dataset of human faces. It was originally created as a benchmark for generative adversarial network, in short GAN. If you are not familiar with this particular term GAN, you need to be, and it's a very popular term and a quite interesting technology in AI domain. Coming on to the specific detailing, so it is a combination of 70,000 high quality PNG images at a resolution of 1024. Coming on to the specific licenses which are given under the Creative Commons. So here you have the different licensing information. The dataset itself means is made available under the Creative Commons by NC-SA 4.0 license by NVIDIA Corporation. So you can allowed means you are supposed to get allowed using distributing and adapting for the non-commercial purposes with respect to this particular dataset. Coming on to the specific overview, so you have the different sorts of JSON and the other sort of format related information over here. If you're interested, you can go through this particular details, then the download script and all the related details, including the metadata and the reproducing related information is given over here in this particular GitHub page. Now, the point is that when we always means whenever we discuss a particular data set, some of the basic key questions come to mind, and those particular key questions are true with respect to this particular data set also. So let me tell you that with respect to this particular data set, usually we think that when the images are taken from a particular website, they might be having some sort of specific properties or the sort of things. Similar thing stands true with this particular data set also. So these images are crawled from the Flickr, and that's why they are having some sort of biases with respect to that particular websites, and they are having a specific alignment and the cropping. Now the point is that when you are having this particular data set, then specific task that you can perform, like with respect to an image data set, you can have the sort of image generation, classification, etc., etc. So how specifically you are using a particular sets depend on your specific research interest. I can only tell you that there are so many different data sets which are similar to like this, but specifically if you're interested in the sort of social media based faces of people, additionally you are interested in the high quality images, then you should go for this particular data set. Now coming on to the specific works which have used in this particular data set. So there are n number of papers which are available. Particularly if I talk about, then recently a 2021 paper is available titled High Resolution Image Synthesis with Latent Diffusion Models. This particular work have a particular GitHub page also. So if you are interested, you can go and check the related GitHub page. There you will find a lot more information. Additionally, the FFHQ dataset related libraries and the loaders are available. Now the point is that when you are working on to this particular domain and you are finding FFHQ, then some of the related data sets you must be familiar with, because if this is not working for you, then there are some of the related choices. So some of them include, one is AFHQ, second is Celebi, which I have also covered in my dataset series. So if you are interested, you can go and have a look. Additionally, the Medfaces and the Elson are also available. So these are some of the basic related details. Additionally, there are some of the related things that you can find onto the specific websites which are offering the FFHQ related information, because there are particularly multiple websites which are offering the datasets related information. So with respect to FFHQ, you don't need to do anything specific. You just need to give a basic load command with respect to Python, and then you can directly just import this particular dataset. Additionally, coming on to the specific details, so there is a well-defined split among the images with respect to training and testing in different papers based on the specific requirements. So similarly, you can also have your own split. It is not always necessary that if you are following a base paper, then definitely you are going for that particular split, but not always recommendable, because many times it happens that the kind of accuracy they are getting, or the kind of overtraining or undertraining they are having, the kind of issues that people usually face. So that should not be with you. That's why you should have a very well judgment of the decision that which particular split you want to go with, and then only the kind of parameters that you are having as a metric are going to get defined. Now the point is that when you are having FFHQ, then the related citation information is also important, because whenever you are going for any particular data set, you should cite it as and when required, because it's the ethical guideline. And whenever you are taking some sort of data from particular author or the contributor, definitely you should give credit to. So that's all from my side. Hope you must have liked the video. If you didn't like anything, please do comment below and let us know what are the sort of issues that should be addressed with respect to current videos. That's all. Thank you. Happy learning.